Okay, so hi everyone. This is Mispa from Khawateen Rozgar Services, and we welcome you all to the podcast series of the Job Seekers by Khawateen Rozgar Services. So today we have a very special guest with us, through whom we will be able to learn regarding his experiences in HR and get some very useful insights. So we have Talha Sufi with us, who is working as a senior manager HR in Shan Foods and have also worked with some of the great companies like TCS and ARY Digital Network. So Talha, we would like to know कि आप अपना थोड़ा सा detailed introduction भी हमें करा दें and let us know regarding your experiences in HR and currently आप किस city में serve कर रहे हैं.
Okay, hello everyone. How are you guys doing? So I've started my career in the from the finance field. I studied my masters. I did my masters from CBM, and I did my masters in finance because finance was at that point in time was very good, and I was good at doing something. So what we as students do is something that we are good at. We carry that on and we get a degree in that. So
Yeah.
I started my career in finance, but after working for 3 years in the finance department for Lucky Cement Limited, I got fed up of finance, to be very honest, because इस बारे में मैं बताऊंगा कि क्यों ऐसा हुआ and why did
Yeah.
I not decided earlier. So
Yeah. So
after
you've
three
done
years,
MBA in finance.
जी मैंने एमबीए किया है
अच्छा.
फाइनेंस में
Right.
बैक इन 2008. सो
Right.
फाइनेंस में एमबीए करने के बाद आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. ऑब्वियसली स्टार्ट में आप बड़े enthusiastic होते हैं, you're passionate about what you do, but as time
Exactly.
progresses, so you
Yeah.
start to get the feel of how things are and what do you want to do in life, right?
Yeah.
So these are things that you need to realize before you start your career. So
बिल्कुल.
चलें, वो 3 साल बाद मुझे पता चला कि finance is not the field for me. And why did I think that? Because the work got monotonous.
Yeah.
And uske baad I started to get bored of the finance and doing all the analysis, the same analysis with different numbers, right? So
Right.
then I had a discussion with my land manager of what to do about that. So
Hmm.
he's like, why don't you go to a counselor and why don't you get some counseling done for yourself and your career? So
Yeah.
I met this individual who is an HR guru by the name of Zafar Aziz Usmani, and
Okay.
he played a major role in my life when it comes to identifying what careers. So we had a long discussion, a chat about what the market has to offer and how can I learn something new and start off my career from scratch. So I
Yeah.
selected HR. But selecting HR is something that I did not do right away. I thought of studying it first and understanding what HR is. So I enrolled myself into a postgraduate diploma, and then I started studying HR. It was a 1 year long diploma, and
Yeah.
during that diploma obviously there was multiple professionals from the field of HR. So उसमें आपका होता ही है कि वो practical examples आपसे share हो रही होती है, and then you're asked to work on different projects, and you get to solve different problems. So I got the hang of it and I started enjoying it, because obviously HR is a people centric
Yeah.
department, and by the looks of it my personality is that type. I'm a people centric person, and it feels good to help somebody out.
Yeah.
So during my 6th module out of 9, I was offered a job by the consultant himself, जो
Okay.
हमें वहाँ पे train कर रहे थे. Because he
अच्छा.
knew, I told him what I was going through and he hired me.
Yeah.
But moving from a huge organization to a smaller one
Yeah.
was a challenge for me and was a decision that I was not ready to take. But I was looking at the long term things of how I can grow in the field of HR,
Yeah.
and this is something that I had to do. So I took that decision, because obviously short term अगर मैं सोचता तो मेरी salary dip हो रही थी, मुझे designation कम मिल रहा था. So I couldn't have achieved what I was going to achieve in the next couple of years being in finance. So, but I took that step for the long run, and till now I'm working in the HR department for around 8-9 years, and it's been a roller coaster ride because of the fact that HR is a developing field in Pakistan. And
बिल्कुल.
when you're working for something that is developing, you get to learn a lot, because you're doing all the you're facing all the ground realities, and you're making changes in the systems. And so this has been a good roller coaster ride for me so far.
Right. So आपने किन cities में काम किया?
So I've majorly worked in Karachi, because
Okay.
I was born and raised in Karachi only.
Right.
So मैंने यहीं पे काम किया हुआ है, पूरी जिंदगी यहीं काम किया है. But I have not restricted myself to moving
Yeah.
either within Pakistan or abroad.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
अभी चीजें यहाँ पे होती रही कि मुझे कोई मौका भी नहीं मिला. Plus I don't feel the need कि मैं specially कहीं बाहर जाके काम करूँ, because the career has been really good for me.
राइट, ठीक। सो हैविंग सेड दैट, इवन काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो होते हैं, ग्रेजुएट्स होते हैं, सो अक्सर कर
हम्म
मैंने देखा है कि उन्होंने एजुकेशन किसी और फील्ड में की होती है, एंड देन दे
हम्म
गो टुवर्ड्स एन अनदर फील्ड। आई एम एन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, एंड आई नेवर
ओके
परस्यूड इन इंजीनियरिंग. After
हम्म
that, I did MBA again in finance, but I finally came
ओके
to an HR field. So again, a very diverse,
so engineering finance and then HR.
HR,
So
exactly.
that's interesting. But
Yeah,
as far as
yeah.
you're doing something that you like, it's
Yeah,
there's no harm in
exactly.
it.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. That's the
Because
thing
you
with
have to
me.
return, exactly. Because आपको वापस you have to go back to your work every day, right? So you
Yeah,
have to be very sure of the fact that you like what you're doing.
exactly. That's the whole point. So having said that, कि हम लोग इसी चीज़ पे बात कर रहे हैं कि करते कुछ और हैं, and then we come into some other fields. So
Mm-hmm.
what is the biggest
Mm-hmm.
gap that you have noticed कि current graduates में है, between the current graduates and the employees, that the companies really look for?
अच्छा जो सबसे बड़ा गैप जो हम लोगों ने basically what we started doing मैं I'll
Hmm.
give you a little brief of what we started doing and why is the gap, right?
Yeah.
So what we started with Shan Foods is a part of a counseling session. We call it
Yeah.
the Shan Counseling Clinics, and
Right.
we're going to different universities for the people who are in the third year or the final year of their graduation
Okay. Right.
of their degree, right?
Yeah.
So the reason, the gap that I feel that most graduates have across Pakistan and probably internationally bhi hoga, I haven't had the opportunity of looking
Hmm.
at the international grads, but
Hmm.
wo yahi hai कि people don't identify what they want to do in life. They're just
Yeah.
going with the flow. जैसे मैंने भी
Exactly.
किया था, तो my example, the reason that I gave a detailed example of myself is because
Yeah.
I was good at doing finance, so I went for it. But I did
Yeah.
not look at the future, what future holds for me.
Hmm.
So students these days need to realize that like they prepare for an exam every semester, right?
Yep.
They have to prepare for their career as well. So are they doing a lot of research about their career, what their selected field is, or are they
Hmm.
not? Because
Hmm.
the informed decision that you take will help you in identifying what your field of interest is. So the
Exactly.
biggest gap is identifying your own interest and
Hmm.
having clarity of their own vision of what they
Hmm.
want to do actually, because
Hmm.
whatever we do in life, it's
Yeah.
just a human psyche that we have to get to the top of it. And if
Exactly.
you start off working with a particular department where you can't lead a particular department because of your
Hmm.
qualifications or because of your abilities
Hmm.
or because of
Hmm.
your interest, that doesn't
Yeah.
make sense to go for it, right?
Yeah.
So एक तो आपका होना चाहिए, you need to have an understanding of the market offerings that a
Hmm.
particular field has.
बिल्कुल.
Plus you need to have you need to identify your interests.
Yeah.
You need to have a long term approach about your career,
Hmm.
and you need to have a very clear vision sought out for yourself.
Right. So that's
And
something the graduates, the undergraduates need to work on while they are studying.
exactly,
क्योंकि
exactly,
काफी होते हैं जब वो ग्रेजुएट हो जाते हैं उसके बाद वो सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं. So
exactly. Or
that's too late.
that's too
Yeah.
late. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's too late, because when you're about to enter the job market,
Yeah.
and at
Yes.
that particular point in time you're understanding and identifying, should I go for this one or should I go for that one. So
बिल्कुल.
they basically end up getting anything that they get, and then they're
Exactly.
stuck. तो वो
बिल्कुल.
बहुत बड़ी एक मिसकंसेप्शन हमारे अंदर है कि जो
Hmm.
फील्ड में हमने काम किया है हम उसी में आगे प्रॉस्पर करेंगे. बट
Hmm.
हैव यू रियली क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ, इज इट समथिंग फॉर यू और नॉट?
Exactly, Bilkul. So, coming to the next question, so what are the top three skills that you recommend every job seeker should have, even keeping in mind the current situation of COVID-19? क्योंकि इसके बाद भी, a lot of people are predicting कि काफी ज़्यादा changes आ जाएंगी. So, keeping that in mind, क्या three
यस,
skills हैं?
चेंजेस आएंगे. यस,
Hmm.
कोविड 19 की वजह से ऑब्वियसली businesses are being impacted.
Yeah.
But the point is they're trying to cope up, and the job
Yeah.
market would get destabilized for a little while, but it will
Hmm.
get on track. What
Hmm.
I've been hearing for a very long time, that graduates come up to me and say there are no jobs for us.
Hmm.
But the point is, I totally counter argue with them and say that there are jobs, but are you ready
बिल्कुल.
for the jobs that you are given? So
Exactly.
job seekers are not ready to get jobs that are available.
Hmm.
So they want shortcuts in everything, right? There are no shortcuts. So
बिल्कुल.
three skills that basically that come to my mind at the top of my fingers, right?
Hmm.
One is flexibility.
Right.
How flexible are you when it comes to work?
ठीक है.
Because it's all about working together. It's all about
Hmm.
adapting how the situation takes you forward, and
Yeah.
it's all about how you mold yourself according to the situation. Because you
बिल्कुल.
just cannot have one rule of thumb for every
Hmm.
situation that you come across. You have to have the flexibility to understand and
Hmm.
then tackle that particular situation.
Hmm.
And looking at the job market, the second skill that I would say is most important is having the ability to multitask.
Hmm.
Because
बिल्कुल.
any job, whatever job you're doing, right, there are a
Yeah,
lot of things that you have to look into. So you
exactly.
have to multitask. And multitasking is not about doing everything haphazardly. It's all
Yeah.
about setting right priorities and ensuring that whatever needs to be done first, or whatever is the most important thing, you need to do
Yeah.
it first,
I
right?
believe it
So
has become a basic, requirement for all the jobs nowadays.
exactly. And looking at the bigger
Hmm.
competencies or skills that we need, are
Hmm.
forgetting all the basic things. So if
Yeah,
the foundation is not strong, you cannot build upon it.
बिल्कुल. That's
And
right.
एक last चीज जो है, जो I think is the most important in any field, मैं
Hmm.
इसलिए बोलता हूँ because I basically belong to a support department, right?
Mm-hmm.
So and what I see from other departments is they don't have the facilitative approach. People don't have the facilitative approach. And
Hmm.
what do I mean by having a facilitative approach is basically helping somebody who requires your help, or giving an input to something that requires your input. Because
Hmm.
we are not only paper distributors. We don't need to just pass the things on to others. We have to
Exactly.
add some
Hmm.
value to things. So
बिल्कुल.
do you have a facilitative approach? Do you understand what kind of input the other person requires from you? Do you understand, and are you there for that other person to get
Hmm.
their things done? So we need to
Yeah.
have that mindset to actually work.
बिल्कुल. Right, that's right. Okay, so आजकल
Hmm.
ये भी काफी एक argument सी चलती है regarding the millennials of today, and so what are you happy to see regarding today's generation कि भाई इनमें ये एक skill majority of the graduates में, majority of the job
Mhm.
seekers में है.
अच्छा, जो because I have been a part of the management training drives that I
Yeah,
do across
yeah,
Pakistan, and international graduates को भी हम hire कर रहे होते हैं.
yeah.
So उसमें the one thing that I notice is the confidence these individuals have,
Mm-hmm.
and the communication and the interpersonal skills that they have. They're pretty confident. The
Mm-hmm.
universities are doing a good job in developing their communication, but
Yeah.
yes, there are obviously every university has some set of people जिसकी communication इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, international
बिल्कुल.
interpersonal skills नहीं होती. That the
बिल्कुल.
major thing that I've come across is the confidence
Hmm.
in the communication that they have when
Hmm.
it comes to having their personality of that type.
Hmm.
Plus एक और चीज जो मैंने देखी है वो ये है कि the drive for new initiatives is there.
Hmm.
Because if
Okay.
I talk about the MTs that we have been hiring for the past couple of
Yeah.
years, so
Yeah.
उसमें उनमें ये है कि they have the ability to initiate new projects and
Hmm.
bring about a change in the entire SOP, or a process that an organization or a
Hmm.
particular department works upon. So that
Hmm.
energy is really visible, and that
Hmm.
basically pushes
Yeah.
others in the department or an organization to to up their game.
Hmm.
So these are the two three things that I think that are the good qualities of an individual passing out life these days.
Right. And what do you think do the individuals need to focus on? कि अभी आपको वो नहीं नजर आ रहा, or maybe even the universities or colleges can focus on some particular skills.
So individuals ki to we've talked about a bit, right? So
Yeah.
let's come to the universities and colleges of unko kya
Mm-hmm.
karna chahiye. So
Yeah.
the first thing that I would request, and I've put this request across Pakistan ki universities, and the first thing
Yeah.
that they need to have is
Yeah.
have counseling sessions with their students.
Hmm.
Like, try and get to understand what kind of queries they have. Give them a
बिल्कुल.
little brief overview of what the market has for them.
Hmm.
Tell them what is best for them when it comes to
Hmm.
understanding their entire needs. तो ये
Hmm.
सारी चीजें हमें देखनी पड़ती हैं ना.
Hmm.
ये during our studies, this is the best time to actually
Exactly.
understand about yourself. When you don't have an understanding of who you are as an
Yeah.
individual,
Yeah.
what would you select? When you
अच्छा,
don't know the
इसमें
need, you,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इसमें एक और चीज़ मैंने नोट की है कि काफ़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के पास जो है करियर डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स भी होते हैं. अगर वो लोग काउंसलिंग कर भी रहे हैं, सो दे डोंट हैव क्वालिफाइड पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली डूइंग इट. उनको मार्केट का
exactly,
इतना अंदाजा नहीं
exactly,
होता. So again, even
exactly.
if they have cells, so they need to hire the right HR for that particular department.
So next point मेरा यही था
Yeah,
counseling के बाद, वो यही था कि the universities need to have guest speakers from different
exactly.
industries.
बिल्कुल.
और एक और चीज guest speakers के साथ साथ मैं एक और चीज भी attach करूंगा, वो ये है कि the universities and the colleges need to
Hmm.
focus on getting visiting faculty on board. तो
Yeah.
उससे होगा ये, they'll bring in expertise from the corporate world, and they'll bring
Exactly.
expertise from the actual practical challenges that they
बिल्कुल.
face throughout their careers, right? So
बिल्कुल.
abhi jaise for example, I am really fond of teaching, so I
हम्म.
contacted a few universities कि भाई मुझे
हम्म.
I need to be I wanted to be a visiting
हम्म.
faculty, and I want to come and teach a couple of
Yeah.
courses there.
Yeah.
What I got, what a response that I got from them was that
Yeah.
we are only hiring on permanent basis, and we are
Hmm.
not allowing any more visiting faculties on our campus. So I
All
asked the
right.
question, "Ke bhai, why are you doing that?
Yeah.
Visiting faculties are some people that can actually bring some
Exactly.
value addition to your courses
बिल्कुल.
and your whatever course material you have." So these are the
Exactly.
things that you need to focus on. These universities need to
हम्म.
focus on. और
हम्म.
अगर चले मैं बोलता हूँ कि इनिशियली ग्रो करने में आपको टू कम टू दैट लेवल कि आपके पास विजिटिंग फैकल्टीज बहुत ज्यादा हो, यू हैव
Yeah.
गेस्ट स्पीकर्स, so till
Yeah.
that point in time they need to have like something that basically teaches them on uh, giving real life examples. आप case studies करें, case
हम्म.
studies driven approach use करें, real life
बिल्कुल.
cases को discuss करें, have a discussion
Yeah.
with people who are actually working in different industries, and then उनसे
Yeah.
बात करके you develop your plan. आप बुकिश
बिल्कुल.
ना पढ़ाएं, you just don't follow the theories, don't just make
Yeah.
presentations. जैसे अभी कोविड की हम बात करते हैं तो I've seen a few of my relatives who
Yeah.
are taking online classes, and some of my friends
Yeah.
who are taking online classes. तो वो यही है
Yeah.
कि what the teachers and the professors have done is they've just copy pasted their material, whatever they have in the book, on a slide,
Exactly.
and they are
बिल्कुल.
just using this that PowerPoint presentation as their course material. That shouldn't be it. The
बिल्कुल.
course
Exactly.
material should be
हम्म.
something from your knowledge that relates
हम्म.
to the things that are in the books.
Exactly. बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
Totally agree to this. So let's come and ask. Let me ask you about regarding the interviews. तो आपने काफी
Okay.
interviews दिए होंगे. So
Yes, a
उसमें
lot.
so उसमें कौन सा ऐसा question है जो आपने
Hmm.
बहुत से कैंडिडेट से पूछा and they got it wrong?
अच्छा तो एक क्वेश्चन तो I'm pretty sure you've been
Yeah.
asked this too कि this
Yeah.
it's a very basic questions of tell me
Yeah.
something about your strengths, tell me some of your strengths
Yes.
and weaknesses, right? Or your
Exactly.
areas of improvement. So this
बिल्कुल.
is one thing that people don't realize, that this is
Yeah.
something that relates to themselves. Nobody is perfect, right?
Yes.
Everybody has some areas of improvement. What they need
Exactly.
to do is they need to be very honest about it.
Yeah.
Whatever they're working on, they need to
Hmm.
have an action plan. So when it
Yeah.
comes to weaknesses, they are basically, we don't ask what are your weaknesses, we ask them what are your areas of improvement. And
Yeah.
everybody is working on something one way or the other, either
That's true.
subconsciously or
Yeah.
unconsciously, right? So we
Yeah.
have to be very conscious when to jot it down and understand what my areas of improvement are. So they
Exactly.
need to have very clear thought processes when it comes to what their areas of improvement are, and they need to, when we ask these questions, so we want them to answer in a way जिसमें वो बताएं कि action plan क्या है to
Hmm.
overcome such areas of improvement. And
बिल्कुल.
they basically try and pose their strengths
Yeah.
as their area of improvement, which
Hmm.
basically does not make any sense. So
Correct.
it's not so bad to have a weakness. It's
Yeah.
just, it shows your positive side, that you actually realize that weakness and
Hmm.
you're working to improve on that.
Exactly. बिल्कुल. So what
Hmm.
is the funniest answer that you have ever got from a candidate?
Oh, I got a lot of funny answers from candidates, but
Okay.
this thing that there are two things that stuck to my head.
Yeah.
So one was that there was
Yeah.
a guy. I'm not being biased or gender biased here,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
obviously, if I'm quoting quoting a specific response to it.
Yeah.
So there's a specific question that normally we ask, that why do you want a job, and
Yeah.
where do you see yourself, what are your career aspirations.
Yeah.
So the answer that I got from that individual was that I want a job so that I can get settled and marry my girlfriend. So I need to
Okay.
have show something to my potential in-laws that I'm working, I'm earning something. So yes, this was something really funny, and I was like, no, I'm not talking about something personal that you want from your job. It
Yeah.
was something related to your professional,
Yeah.
vision or ambitions that you have.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So okay, that's something new. I never heard something like
yeah.
this in an interview.
And that we laughed it off. अब क्या
Yeah.
कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई जवाब
हाँ
जब
जी.
आता है तो like मैंने वो यही बोला सामने से,
Yeah.
I hope you get a job really quick so that
Yeah.
you can do whatever you want to do with your life.
So by the way, did you consider that candidate then?
I don't exactly remember, to be honest. It
Okay.
was back in the day, but
Yeah.
I this question stuck, this
Yeah.
answer response stuck to my head, and like
Yeah.
ये सभी होता है कि professional
Yeah.
setting के अंदर people come up and
Yeah.
say these things.
Right. So what is the best answer that you ever got from a candidate?
So best answer की अगर आप बात करते हैं तो there's no specific best answer to any question. It's just about how you understand and comprehend the question,
Yeah.
how you base your answers, because obviously whenever we ask a question, whenever interviewers ask a question, there's a motive behind that answer, right?
Yeah.
So you try to understand that answer by understanding what the job requirements are,
Yeah.
what kind of work or the job opening is like, and then you base your answers with the past experiences or your thought process, so that you can specify and mold your answer in a way that gives what the interviewer asked in the first place, and basically structure a response and be honest about these things.
Yeah.
And obviously the answer needs to be precise, short and to the point. आप उसके अंदर अगर बहुत बड़ी कहानी लेके चलेंगे and तो gist होती है आंसर की, वो लूज कर देंगे आप. So it needs to be specific and to the point of what is asked, and you give a very honest answer to whatever you know about it. Because आप अगर सही जवाब में उसको honesty नहीं रखेंगे, so the interviewer have this tendency of probing. And obviously when you ask a lot of questions about certain things, you tend to lose track of what you said and what not, and then you start getting into trouble. So one needs to be very specific and open and make sure that you're prepared for the interview.
Exactly. बिल्कुल. अच्छा जी, तो this was about the job seekers, and I would also like to ask a question regarding the people who are currently working in organizations. That what qualities do you guys look at जिनके basis पे वो लोग further promote होते हैं?
अच्छा देखें, प्रमोशन की अगर आप बात करते हैं तो व्हाट इज अ प्रमोशन, हम ये नहीं समझते. तो प्रमोशन बेसिकली डिपेंड्स ऑन द पोटेंशियल ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल टू टेक अप द नेक्स्ट रोल, राइट? ऐसा ही होता है.
बिल्कुल.
यू एग्री, राइट?
Yes.
तो इसमें होता ये है कि आपकी पोटेंशियल क्या है, मतलब एज इन डू यू हैव द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ हैंडलिंग टास्क दैट आर करंटली गिवन टू यू और नॉट. इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती है. पहली बात तो जैसे मैंने स्किल्स के अंदर बताई, तो डू यू हैव द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एडजस्टिंग टू सिचुएशन, बिकॉज़ द बिगर द रोल the bigger the responsibilities.
Yeah.
सही है. जैसे मैं कोट स्पाइडरमैन का कोट, उसका जो अंकल सैम थे उन्होंने बोला था, with great power there comes great responsibility, right?
Yeah.
So this is actually true. So आपके पास flexibility है ऐसी? Do you have the technical expertise and the performance or the work ethics that would make you successful in the next role? Do you have the competence and skills?
Yeah.
Do you complete your tasks on time? Do you do your work as required of you? How good are you when it comes to managing the stakeholders? Because obviously every job has stakeholder management. That is the key thing that one needs to have. So are you managing your stakeholders? Are you taking initiatives to change something in your department? Are you changing the norms and the status quo that we have for the good? And do you have the capability of leading a team? So these are the certain factors that are basically on top of the chart when it comes to understanding how the individual perform, or is he or she ready for the promotion.
Right. ठीक है, सही है. So are there any other comments or suggestion that you would like to add?
So suggestion and comments for the candidates or the job seekers, there are a few. There are a couple, not a few. So one needs to be always positive, needs to have a positive attitude. So what positive attitude means is having the brings out the positive vibes. That brings out the positive vibes when it comes to having an aura around you. So whenever you go to work or whenever you go somewhere, make sure that you wear a big smile on your face and share good energy from yourself. And the other thing that I would say is always be proactive, always be on your toes, always think ahead of what others are thinking, so that whenever challenges come to you and whenever you face a challenge, you're ready for it. So this बड़ी proactive approach जो होती है ना, बड़ा understated एक kind of an element है in our daily routines, in our job lives. People don't think it that way. So we have to look into all the problems that you might come across when you're doing something and after you do something. So we have to think इसके repercussions क्या होंगे, इसका collateral damage क्या होगा. So we have to look into it from that perspective as well, and we have to proactively tackle those situations before you actually face them.
Exactly. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So इसी तरह है कि मतलब candidates को even we suggest them that you have to leave your worries at home. You don't have to bring them along at the workplace because it gives a very negative.
it does. You don't have to bring your worries at workplace, but
Yeah.
इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि you can totally disconnect from whatever
Hmm.
is happening at home. So
Hmm.
you have to keep a balance. You
Exactly.
cannot like mix these two. If
Yeah.
you're having if a problem at home, obviously if you need to be very clear and communicative when it comes to discussing it with the line manager. Because
बिल्कुल.
अगर आपको line manager को नहीं पता है what you're going through, so he's going to expect the same level of performance from you as if you're
Exactly.
normal, right? So you need to
बिल्कुल.
have a clear communication. It doesn't need to have like a gap. There shouldn't be a gap when it comes to
Hmm.
communicating with your line manager. थोड़ी सी
बिल्कुल.
आपका emotional connect भी होना चाहिए ना, because you spend like most of your day at
Yeah.
work. And if you don't have that emotional connect with your team, then it's going to be
Hmm.
an issue with you when it comes to handling work in office. So
Exactly.
आप घर छोड़ के ना भी आए, but make sure that you don't mix the two,
Yeah.
and you give it your all when it comes to handling any situation either at home or in
Yeah.
office.
So there has to be a work-life balance.
Yes. और obviously work life balance की अगर आप बात करते हैं तो there needs
Yeah.
to be a very sought out approach to this, because
Yeah.
it doesn't mean that we work through 24/7.
Hmm.
It shouldn't be that way, because
Yeah.
COVID-19 situation में थोड़ा सा work life balance आपका
बिल्कुल.
ऊपर नीचे हुआ है. And
Exactly. Exactly.
obviously for everyone they don't have the home dynamics to
Yeah.
work or be
That's
connected
right.
24/7. They have their home chores and stuff like
बिल्कुल.
that. So
बिल्कुल.
the line managers need to understand this as well. You have
Hmm.
to set up a timeline
Yeah.
which is consistent for the team member as well, your
Yeah.
subordinates as well, and
Yeah.
it needs to be. People need to be given this advantage as well, that if they're at home doesn't mean that they can connect every time there's a requirement, right? So हमें
बिल्कुल.
ऑफिस में ना रहते हुए भी ऑफिस के नॉर्म्स को लेके चलना है.
That's right, Bilkul. So, Nitarha, thank you so much for giving us time for the podcast. I believe
It was a pleasure.
there were some very, very important insights for the job seekers as well as for the universities and colleges. So, I believe a lot of people will be benefiting from this specific podcast. So,
I hope so. I hope so.
thank you so much, Talha. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Welcome, Misbah, for giving me this opportunity. And this is a really good platform that you guys have started. And I
Thank you
hope
so
this
much.
brings about a change in the industry and how people think.
Hopefully, Bilkul. Thank you so
Inshallah.
much. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you. Take
Okay.
care. Allah
Okay.
Hafiz.
Bye bye.